Perched upon a steep incline, this dwelling commands a panorama of a sprawling valley, a golf course, and the Tam Dao mountain range. The rugged topography grants breathtaking vistas but also raises the challenge of access at such lofty altitudes. Spanning 1,000 square meters, the homeowner envisions an open abode deeply entrenched in nature, yet veiled in seclusion. The aspiration is an effortless melding with the contiguous natural terrain, designed to house an extended family across 5 bedrooms and additional ancillary spaces. The architect's remedy partitions the estate into 2 segments. The upper division crowns the zenith, basking in copious natural light and airflow. Meanwhile, the lower section encompasses a garage and auxiliary facilities, serving as the principal entry point from the frontal thoroughfare. A dedicated elevator module ascends directly to link with the primary dwelling via a steel bridge, ushering a passage through the garden, swimming pool, frontage, and ultimately, the abode. Functional segments are strategically perched at varied elevations, gradually ascending toward the rear, climaxing in a garden enclave that hosts a basketball court at the plot's terminus. Fashioned from a steel framework cloaked in stone and organic wood, the main residence shields itself from the harsh climatic whims of the region. The incorporation of timber and expansive awnings draws inspiration from the architectural ethos of Vietnam, featuring arrays of columns and balanced spaces. The core traffic artery harmonizes centrally amidst the dwelling and the sundry open spaces, binding the frontal expanse to the rear. The interspaces amid elevated tiers progressively unveil novel vistas, intertwining with the project's backdrop. The garden merges seamlessly with the roof of the garage block, extending the realm for floral cultivation. Here, the dweller finds solace in nurturing hydrangeas, a cherished floral species. Whether ascending via the adjacent staircase or traversing the bridge leading to the abode, one can marvel at this horticultural haven. Embracing a square configuration with intersecting circulation zones, the elongated perimeters of the dwelling invite in natural light and the surrounding environs. Twin petite gardens flanking either side permeate into the heart of the dwelling, forging an unbounded connection between the interior and exterior, the natural realm and human abode. The central hollow space is maximized, endowing seclusion to the chambers and optimizing the dwelling's room count. The capacious roofs and expansive balconies serve as bulwarks for the edifice while facilitating cross-ventilation between its anterior and posterior. Gazing from aloft unveils the architectural layout, with discrete segments tethered along a cohesive axis.